Welcome back to the Mouse Diva channel. Hope you saw part 1 of today.
Moving pictures. Hello there, moving pictures.
What's up, Doc?
I've been all around the world. Every city, every place. Always been a restless girl.
So I walked into one of the UK pavilion shops and I just don't remember. Oh my God, they moved. So I don't remember these being in this window. I thought something else was here. Here we go. That just ran. Oh my gosh. I love finding new things at Disney. They moved, Tom. They have new plushes. Doesn't he look dapper? And look at me. Oh my gosh. I love the hat and the tool, right? Yay! This shop is open again. Oh, Disney Parks lug, $80. But I really like the backpack. $90. Alright, I want to show y'all some cool features. This, look at that. That is magnetic. Okay, you got this pocket. You got this slip.
Oh, that's cute.
You have two sections, but in this one, look at this. It's hard to see, but there's a little like money pocket there, or ID pocket. And it's $90. This is what the cast member was talking about. She said that these had just came out and Minnie has already sold out. Like, I swear she said today, but I might have misunderstood her. Alice is very popular. Very, very long line to meet Alice. So, I got a wristlet gift card. I get one of these every single festival because I like the unique gift card aspect. It takes $15 to load. You can put as much over 15 as you'd like.
Yep. Yeah.
Every country got a new Mickey and Minnie. We're in France. He just can't leave work alone. That's probably like his 7th work call today. Artist here, signing, work. So I actually have this Minnie Mouse with this outfit on. Let's show Tom. Let's show Tom. Never seen this before. Where is he? Yeah, he just saw it at the same time I showed it to him. Yes, Disney dogs! I don't recall this one, and we have quite a few prints from David Doss there. Italy has a new line. It's kind of like faux leather. That's on the back. And mugs. And cheese boards. Whoa, plague mask. Whoa. $325. Obviously, we're in the Italy pavilion. This is beautiful. I love the cherry blossoms. Wow.
Hey, now.
Alright, gotta zoom in here, the train exhibit, and show you the flags for the art festival. Now this one's kind of cool. Camper old truck, they're in flannel. That's neat. We're in line for the quick service in the Germany pavilion. Tom needs food, and he turns into Mr. Grumpy if he doesn't get it.
You want me to get the pen out?
What y'all think about the Germany Christmas tree skirt? Whoa, what do you think? These are the pressed pennies from the Germany pavilion. Order complete. Unfortunately, they only have a few tables, so it looks like we're eating here. Tom got this. Oh, I didn't know it came with chips. And we're gonna try the pretzel bread pudding. All right, pretzel bread pudding. This is really good, and they actually give you enough sauce. As you can see, there's plenty of sauce there. And I think it was only $5. Watch this. Wait for it. Ha 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 ha. Heard a thump. And what else? Waiting, and there we go, done. I have to show you something pretty sad. Like, I love the little suitcase, it's so cute, and then you open it and like he's all crowded in there. It's so sad. Oh, he's cute. So how much is he? He's $80. EPCOT Germany Pavilion, it says on the sleeve. Would match your hat, but here's the bad thing. They're doing what this stuff is going to crack and peel.
Oh, it's one of them?
Yeah. Oh, you can get me one of the cuckoo clocks. You know, Valentine's Day's coming up, you know. Oh, these are so cool. Oh my gosh, these are so cool. $8.48. Like that one's only $2 something. Please do not touch the truck. This is so cool. Rolling Stone aged pizza with the. I just have this thing about dinosaurs and a Santa hat. This is so neat. Love it. Just look at the water. You can see how windy it is today. Well, this has changed since we were last here. So that used to be a little store in there. And now they have artwork on the doors, like painted the doors. be the only ride we ride today. We're just taking everything in, going slow because it's just been so long since we've been here.
Permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies
Cute little Mexico line. Look at that. $20, wow. Ooh, this is awesome. Oh, that's awesome.
See, these won't even last.
Wow, this one has sold 6,200. So they have these mystery postcard packs, and this is my second favorite one. I'm really hoping this one's in it. Let's hope it's the mystery pack Tom doesn't know. Mystery pack, don't know what's inside. This is my second favorite. I'm hoping my favorite's inside. Let's see which ones we get. Alright. Plus I'm curious about the back. Okay, so here's the back. Legit postcard. Alright. I'm not looking here. It's like a Cleopatra cat one. Not that person.
Nope. Yeah, I'm
Okay, let's see. Oh, yes! Yeah! Not my favorite, but this was a third. You like that, Tom, with the chipmunks? I like this one with the chipmunk, the raccoon, the squirrel, the rabbits, and the deer. So this is one of my top ones. I'm still not trying to look. Okay. Ooh, Mermaid. That's cool. Okay. What is that? Okay, this.
Apparently this is one of her favorites too.
No, not one of my favorites. Still cool, but not one of my favorites. Oh, I don't remember seeing this one over there. Wow, that's dark. All the skeletons. Alright, let's see. Come on, please. This is one of the Alice themed ones. Oh no, that's one Cinderella. No, that's Alice. No, that's Cinderella. Cinderella, not Alice themed. Okay.
Didn't know Cinderella had a watch.
Alright. Oh, don't remember seeing that one. So far, the one I wanted is... Oh, this is like a little Dumbo. And we're back. Darn it! It's just making me want to... It's like, if you want that one, you're going to have to go buy the canvas. Ah. Still got some good ones in here, though. Liking that one. So we rode Haunted Mansion last night, and the hidden Mickey that used to be right here in the plates is not there anymore. Stay there, bird. Oh my gosh. Oh, and there he goes. Well, hello. You coming closer? Oh my goodness. And he's out of here. My magic band evidently needs to be charged. He just barked. And he just played the guitar like a string. Oh, did it once and not gonna do it again?
It wiggled again. But...
Well, let's see what Rocket does. Alright, see if you can get them to do anything. Alright, just a snippet of music. Oh, there goes the monorail. Alright, what's Olaf and the little creature, I forgot his name, do?
Hi, I'm Olaf and I like warm hugs.
I knew it. I figured he's going to say something about hugs. Alright, we got Hei Hei down here. Hey! Nope, snippet of music. that I don't even recognize from the movie.
I don't either.
Can't go too far into Canada. Alright, made the Rob Kaz purchase. Now we're going just a short ways to another one of his booths where he is currently, and he will sign it for us.
Alright, let's see here. Alright.
Oh, phone, honey. Sorry.
Oh, phone? Oh.
Yeah, gotta do phone.
Alright, alright.
Here, just do mine.
Cool.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
We'll just keep adding to the... Alright, found 2 more art pieces in the United Kingdom. What I mean by that is during the art festivals, they'll paint on things special to the art festival, and then they'll just disappear. And at the Norway bathrooms, I found more.
I've been corrected. These aren't snowmen, they're snow glees.
Alright, it is time to pick up my popcorn bucket. Alright, the murals in here are pretty cool. Look at Figment rolling around in the sun like a gerbil. Yeah, they really did this up well. So right over there, 1, 2, and 3 is where you'll pick up your popcorn bucket. Okay, I have told them that I'm here and they can prepare my popcorn bucket. I can't tell. Are they preparing it? Yay, I actually saw him pick up the iPad. Alright.
Alright.
We can pick up our popcorn bucket now. Hello. Alright. I love this type of popcorn. Here, hon. I took the little tab out of the bottom just to make sure it works, and it does work. Now let's eat some colored popcorn. Look at that. Even the tables are festive. We're too lazy and tired to walk over there to get a good Instagram shot, so I'm just going to take the picture from here. Okay, I really love this one. That's cute. And I know some of you are going, wait, you don't like popcorn. Regular popcorn. But if it's like caramel popcorn or something, if it's coated with something, then I like it. Our bus is here. Perfect timing. We gotta go back to the room, drop off all these bags, pick up Skylan, and then go do something fun. Not that this has been fun, but we'll have Skylan with us. So we're waiting for Skylan to get ready, and I just wanted to show you guys her little work setup. She got some of our snacks that we brought with us to get her screens up higher. Look, she's in my coat. Isn't she so cute? Did somebody kick you? That looks like a footprint. Oh, probably. So I don't know if they do this every night, but at least 2 nights we've been here, we've noticed that you can roast marshmallows. And Tom wants to know what happened to this soldier's leg. It's just plain gone. Are you so excited to be out of the room? There goes the monorail over us. We're on our walk over to Bay Lake from Magic Kingdom. That's where we're headed, except we're not going inside to eat this time you want to see videos on that, we do have videos on that already posted. It's currently 59 degrees, but it feels colder than that because of the wind. So this is the first time that Skylan's watching the fireworks from here. And I think she's a little excited. So we actually see a plane going by. And last night, one went by during the fireworks. So I guess it's its regular scheduled flight. But can you imagine being on that plane and being able to look down and see what the fireworks look like? Bathroom in Bay Lake has a little tiny kid sink. I love it. What'd you think of that perspective of the fireworks? Alright, now we're going to head over to the Contemporary for some dinner. Contemporary has such a unique smell. Oh no, somebody lost their glove. These people waiting to eat at Chef Mickey's. Oh, they keep changing the menus. We're sharing barbecue pizza, and then I'm only gonna eat this one, chicken barbecue, and they're eating meat, and then they'll eat some of this. Cause it's late, you know, don't want to eat too much. It's 8:41. We couldn't all finish. One piece left of the barbecue, so it is going in the handy dandy flat container. Expanded it one notch, and there we go. Tom is explaining what room we had when we stayed at the Contemporary here. I'm like losing my mind. Was that there a few months ago? That mural? Was that mural there a few months ago, hon? I really don't think so either. I love it. Wow. Normally don't have like large lounge flies, but this is a large one. Look at the size difference. What's the price difference? Let's see, the price difference. There's no price difference. 100 decades. I don't think it's a... Oh, I'm sorry. There's a $10 price difference. I thought all these were 88. I could have sworn these were 88. Yeah, okay. So this size, this one's 88, but that one's 78. And then that one's 88. What is Edna? What's Edna Mode doing up here? Like, why is there a random... Oh, I don't get it.